Yo, YouTube, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cole, more known as Colep, coming at you today with another taste test review video. Now, this video is a little bit different than the past ones I've done on the last two videos that I have on the channel. This is a brand new drink control flavor. Now, if you guys don't know what drink control is, before I even show you the product, it is a meal replacement formula. It's literally you're drinking your meal. It's got fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. It's great. This is their brand new flavor, cookies and cream. I'm very excited to try this one today. I've been waiting for this one for a while now. I will say right off the bat, I did open it already because I was so excited to try it out. But then I was like, hey, we're going to make a review for the YouTube channel, for the people to see, get my actual first time reaction. So these meal replacements, they come with 23 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 23 vitamins and minerals, and 280 calories a serving. And I will show you guys a little bit closer there of the actual bag. Now, this is the 20 serving bags that they come in. It requires 2 scoops of serving. You shake up your shaker or whatever you're mixing it in, and you slurp it up. This is the back for you. I don't know how good it's going to be, for you guys to read on the video. But if you guys want to pause the video at any time here and read any of this informational stuff on the back, that is there for you. There's the other side just with the nice little control. That is the bag. What I have today is I have 2 shakers. I have one here. This is with almond milk with vanilla. I actually have it right here. It's the Silk Almond with Vanilla. I'm going to do 1 serving of control with the almond milk, and I'm going to do the other with just normal water, tap water. So this shaker has 8 ounces of tap water, and this shaker has 8 ounces of vanilla almond milk. A full serving is 2 scoops from the bag. These 1 packet servings, you just pour these in, and this is 1 serving right here. So if you guys end up getting these 1 sample packets, just pour this in your shaker or whatever you're mixing, your liquid with, and you're good. I'm gonna get my first initial reaction too, because I haven't opened this bag yet. I took off the wrapping on the top, like I said, but I have not smelled, tasted anything of this flavor yet. Cookies and cream has always been a favorite flavor of mine ever since I've been a kid. Ice cream, candy, whatever it may be. So I'm very excited to try this out today and compare it to, my past experiences. So without further ado, we're going to open up the bag. I'm going to get my first initial smell reaction, and then we're going to dive right into the taste here. Oh, wow. Ooh. That is a very ripe cookie. I mean, I can get the cream in there too, but I can just definitely smell the cookie right off the bat. You guys want to see how the powder looks inside of there? That's the powder for you guys to see. So like I said, I got 1 shaker, 8 ounces almond milk, the other shaker, 8 ounces of water. I'm going to open up these lids here. We're going to drop a scoop in each. So I will show you guys once again. Almond milk in the black shaker, regular tap water, H2O, in the pink shaker. Both control shakers, by the way. So I'm gonna get 1 scoop for 1. And now this is the size of the scooper. It's a little big. So we got 1 scoop for 1 shaker here, going into the water. And we're gonna get another scoop for the almond milk. Now that looks like a solid scoop. Just a quick reminder, 1 serving of control is 12 to 16 ounces of your liquid of choice. Like I said, today we're just going to be trying it out 8 ounces and 8 ounces so I can give you my review on the almond milk versus the water. What I prefer, what I recommend, what I would say is to go best with this flavor. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with blender bottles, these bottles are very, very nice for mixing protein or anything, you're really mixing. Control, like I said, has their own blender bottles, so definitely recommend you checking it out on their website. They have the pink, they have the black, they have clear, they have red, they have white. They have plenty of colors for you guys to select from, so I recommend checking them out 100%. I'm gonna say I'm gonna try the almond milk first because I have tried the past flavors with milk and I've loved them. All the other flavors I've had with the almond milk. I'm gonna do my first initial taste test reaction with the almond milk. Without further ado, guys, cheers. Wow. Wow. That is quite delicious. I don't know if there's the flavor I would prefer more than this one. This actually is, I would say 100% my new Control favorite flavor. And I say that with 100% confidence. This is very good. Holy crap. If you guys aren't familiar with Control, once again, each flavor has their own little chunks of whatever the flavor is based off of. So cookies and cream literally has little chunks of like Oreo cookies in it. That is very good. That is with the almond milk. Now, I'm going to try with water. And now with water, I'm kind of predicting it's going to be a little bit of a, more of a bland taste. Not like bland, but like a little bit more plain, considering it doesn't have, you know, the milk taste adding on with the cookies and cream. I always, when I eat Oreos, it's always milk. So I'm going to say it's a little bit, you know, it's going to be a little bit lighter flavor. But let's try this out. Let's see how it is with water. Cheers. Okay, so not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought. I thought it was going to be a lot more, less tasteful, I would say. I don't know if that's the right way to put it, but it has way more flavor than I thought it would be with water. With the almond milk, it definitely had that extra oomph and had that more flavorful taste, like I said, because that's with some milk. But with the water, it's definitely a lighter taste. I kind of knew that right off the bat. It was going to be a lighter taste. It still has a little bit of thickness because of, you know, how much powder you're putting in with the one scoop that I put in with it. But honestly, milk drinkers, almond milk, oat milk, just regular, you know, 1%, 2% skim milk, whatever it may be, I would definitely try out Control with water. It's not even that bad. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be, honestly. That's actually really good. Let me guys just show you how it looks now inside of the shaker once it's all mixed up. I'll do the water first here since we just tried it. So that is how it looks with the water. There you go. You can kind of see that a little bit better. So you can obviously see the little black chunks of like Oreo, the cookie in there. That's how it looks with water. Like I said, it's not as bad as I thought. I'm going to show you guys a closer up here with the almond milk before I go ahead and drink all of these because this is delicious. So that's how it looks with the almond milk. Probably pretty similar. I know it's not focusing very well. There we go. You can see all the little cookie chunks in there at the bottom as well. But that was with the almond milk. I can see it's a little bit more of like a darker color because of the, you know, the white almond milk. But honestly, guys, I highly recommend both water and almond milk with this flavor. I have tried the past flavors just with milk because I only had one serving of them, and it was very good with almond milk. But like I said, if you're not a milk person, water is definitely a nice way to go for this. So let me guys show you the package one last time. So that is the package one more time. Cookies and cream, Control. You guys are looking to buy this flavor right here. Go to drinkcontrol.com. And make sure you guys cop this flavor. That is drinkctrl.com. Go cop this flavor, guys. They just released their newest sample kit. If you guys want to check out their website, it's called the First Timers Kit. It has literally every single flavor, and it comes with a shaker. I think it comes with just the clear shaker. Literally a sample pack just like this of each flavor. So you got the Cocoa Crunch, you got the Cinnamon Toast, you got the Fruity Flakes, and you also have the Birthday Cake. So make sure you guys check this out. I highly recommend it. Now, I will say, wrapping up this video, I am not currently affiliated, sponsored, partnered, anything with Control, but it is something I am definitely working towards right now. I highly, highly, highly recommend this product. I highly vouch for it. I recommend it to my whole entire community, all my friends. It's a great flavor. Hopefully one day we'll be able to use code COLEP at checkout. That would be amazing. But until then, guys, definitely check out the flavor. drinkcontrol.com. Make sure you guys go try some stuff. It's amazing. It's delicious. It's literally like the best replacement for a meal you could possibly find, in my opinion. You're getting your protein, your fiber, your vitamins and minerals, a good amount of calories. It's just great. Definitely check this stuff out, guys. Thank you all for watching the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave a like, leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below if you guys have tried this flavor yet, if you're looking forward to trying it, if you've tried any of the past flavors, what you guys are thinking. So definitely leave a comment down below. I'd love to see what you guys have to say. And as always, subscribe to the channel, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the video. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Much love.